Hello everyone, today I will explain HTML code and our student portfolio. And in this video I will explain to how I create to using HTML and CSS our student portal. Firstly, I am already explained our HTML code in previous video. It's a second phase, and in this video I will explain only CSS code. Firstly, you can see here dog type boilerplates, you can also know, and here some links and tags I use it. Firstly, you can see here main links, introduction, here they my names, and you can see footers and some text. And in this video I will explain CSS code. Let's start. Here our CSS code, and when we firstly we can go with live server. You can see this, and here you can see our HTML with CSS. In this first video I will already explain HTML code. HTML gives a structure and CSS gives a styling in this page. And here when we our cursor is moving inside, then color is changed, and we attract some attractive introduction, many colorfuls. And in this page HTML to better our CSS. And firstly you can see first global style sheet. It's a global style sheet. We want to give a whole page color, font family, and margin. Firstly, use body. Body provides a whole page. In this video, background color and blue. I want to I want to change this color. Firstly, you can see this here. Whole background is blue. Then it's a better, I think, darkest. You can see here it's a body contain a whole page, and here a font family roboto means like a first he use roboto font, then if he have no roboto tag, then he use sans serif. You can see here fonts, and also give some margin. Margin means border to border space, between border to border space, like a margin. Margin zero. It's a default. I am not want to see default margins. Then I will give a zero. And padding. Padding means content to border space, between contents with borders. When we use 20 pixels, then here is a content and here is a space, here is a border, and it's clear our padding. And inside color, we use color or red, then he some reds inside. You can see border. Then here header section. Firstly you can see header section. What is header section? We can see in HTML header, student, welcome to my student portal, h1 text. You can see here headers. In header we can see uh, some, you can see inside a new now tag. Then we use here, I want to change our text align, paddings, and border radius. Border radius means it's a remove rounded in corner, like you can see here it's a box, but when we use border radius, then he covered rounded in our corner. And margin bottom, like you can see his line center our content in this page header. And also use h1 I want to change our color in welcome to student portal, then we color change our like some different, you can see. Okay, and it's like blue is better, you can change also. And font family, uh and font size 20 42 pixel, I want to change like a 30 pixel, then he will change inside, you can see. It's I think better 40. And margin bottom means it's provide a margin inside a like a border to content space between. Just put a colors like a yeah, this. And font size you can also know. And here no inside use no tag. I want to change our not in no tag, uh, width margin padding also. And max width I want to give 800 pixel in now tag, like here it's a now tag. And now ul, firstly you can see now ul, here I am creating a now and ul tag. And ul means an order list, you can also know, you are also knowing. And inside we use text decoration, sorry, list style none. List style none means it's a provider remove a bold lines like a dots in a, when we create a list style type, uh, mm, style none, no. uh, okay, none is better I think. Okay, padding 0, display flags. Display flags means when we use display flags, then he default in row in this our home in this row. And justify content center means justify, it's align our item in center. And we use gap 5 pixel between our in this page, like we can change our like 10 pixel, then you can see huge difference. Okay, and inside use now and it it's like selectors, we use anchor text selector. And I want to change our text decoration, colors, paddings and background colors also. And when we use inside a background color, then he only change in the in this anchor, like you can see. And now hover, when our cursor is moving inside here, then background color change and font color also change, then use hover. And here we use some property, background color is this and color is white. Color provide only content color and background color only now, we use only now and our. Then and transform translate y minus 5, it means it's a property. Then I want to change our y axis minus 5 pixel, then he remove, then he change colors. And main tag also it's a main content in our page, and main a and main hour. And last is footer I want to align our text items and margin top 50 pixels and color some. And here you can see home page. Okay, and then his main tag a means anchor tag, I want to change our colors, anchor tag, text decoration and padding and border bottoms and translate. I think you are also understand in these things css and html page. Thank you so much.